Hola everyone, want to know how to use this amazing vitamin C brightening oil with bakuchi oil and moringa. This amazing face oil is great to use at night after cleansing and toning your skin. It has our power of 5 oils in it: virgin coconut, macadamia, sakedi, dilo, and of course vitamin C rich moringa oil. That's really going to feed your skin with different vitamins and also protect it against environmental damage. Of course, bakuchi oil is going to help smooth fine lines and wrinkles and stimulate collagen in your skin as well. An amazing anti-aging oil and a great one to regenerate skin cells and really nourish your skin. I love to use this at night after cleansing and toning. Alternatively, you can use it earlier on in the day if you wish to, but at night to really replenish any moisture loss throughout the day is really ideal. So you just want to massage it over your face and neck. You saw I applied 2 to 3 pumps of this oil. Has that amazing scent, our 100% essential oil, which features in our entire vitamin C collection, which has ylang ylang, geranium and sweet orange. So it's a really lovely moment of self-care as well in the evening. So absolutely love cleansing and toning and then replenishing my skin with all of these amazing oils with this vitamin C brightening oil. So it's really going to leave your skin radiant and glowing, whilst of course feeding it with all of those essential vitamins and all of the antioxidants as well. So just leave it on your skin, let it absorb while you sleep and wake up to really soft, glowing, healthy looking skin.